Cicada Moon by Marilyn Hilton. The book is about a girl. Her name is Mimi. She's in the 7th grade. Her family moved from California to Vermont in 1969. Because of her race, she's half Japanese and half African American. She faced a lot of issues in her new school and her new community because people think that they are look different. This girl is so ambitious. She follows her dreams and she wanna be an instrument. However, whenever she tells people about her dream, they keep laughing, and this doesn't stop her from making her dream to come true because she's really a gifted girl. For example, in this page, she's trying to hide her identity from the people. When her mom she makes her open it to meal for her lunchbox, she hide it in the locker, and she eat like a turkey sandwich instead of omelette because she doesn't want to get embarrassed from the other children. And the other thing here, when Mr. P asked her what she wanna be, and here is the conversation which was between her and Mr. B's the teacher. What do you wanna be when you grow? An astronaut. I answer quickly. I don't have to think about that. I look around expecting nods or smiles, but everyone laughs, even Mr. B's. Maybe you should be a comedian, he says, and right away I don't like as much. The book is very interesting and it's told in verse, and it has very beautiful descriptive language. I really enjoy it, and I hope you read it and enjoy it too. Thank you.